Hello and welcome back to the Ethanol Review. It's been a while since I've shot a video. I've been pretty busy during the pandemic and helping to open up this beautiful tiki bar with some wonderful partners. We're here, by the way, at Phat Sammy's. That's P-H-A-T Sammy's. We're in downtown Huntsville, Alabama. And we're not fully open, but we are doing to-go drinks and to-go food. If you want to come by and see us, come on down. Today, we're going to talk about the rum old fashioned, the modern take on a rum old fashioned. Let me just say, before we go anywhere, that there's a lot of ways to skin this cat. You can use so many different types of rums. The spectrum is gigantic, so we could really go a lot of different ways with this. But after 15 or so renditions, I finally settled on the recipe that I really liked. And so I'm gonna show you how to do that today. All right, let's get right into it. Grab yourself a mixing vessel, maybe a super cool one like Appleton Estates mixing tin. Thank you, Shayna, that was awesome. We're gonna start off with 2 dashes of orange bitters. So this actually has 3 different types of orange bitters in it, including Ango orange, but I just thought you should know that. 1, 2, 3. Actually, there was supposed to be 2 dashes. I'll just edit this out, right? 2 dashes of orange bitters. 3 drops of Woodford Reserve bourbon barrel aged chocolate bitters. You can find these at Liquor Express or the open bottle. It's really powerful stuff, really flavorful, powerful stuff. So you just need 3 drops for our purposes. Next is something called Demerara Gomme syrup. Demerara Gomme is a 2-to-1 rich simple syrup of Demerara to water that we then sous vide with a bit of Gomme Arabic. And Gomme Arabic basically gives a flavorless, textural improvement to the drink. So it becomes a bit silkier, a bit fuller of a mouthfeel. So we're just using 1/8 of an ounce because this is rich, of course, so you don't want it to be too sweet. Then, like I said, there's a lot of ways to do this. I ended up going with a split base of 2 different rums. A black rum, which I'm gonna use 1 ounce of, and also an unaged, well, lightly aged, blended white rum. I think this is 3 years old. Yeah, real McCoy, 3 years old. So I wanted to have a contrast of something a bit less modified with something a bit more modified, the white versus the black. And this is 1 ounce of this white rum. Now we're gonna stir it. So I grab a couple of larger agitator cubes, and then I'm gonna give it a brief stir. Now I'm gonna grab glass. Ideally pre-chilled. Big cube of ice. Put that in there. Strain it in. Now I'm going to garnish with a swath of orange peel. Express it over your drink. That's squeezing all the oils into it. And then a nice Bordeaux cherry. Give it a little twist and tuck it in there. And there you have it. The modern rum old fashioned. Cheers. It's beautiful. It's so good. Just perfectly balanced. It's telling you it's rum, but in the best way possible. Yeah. Thanks. Enjoy. I just have to show you guys this mural. This is at Phat Sammy's. Hand painted from Logan Tanner, local muralist. I think it's 40 feet long. That's our tiki god, Phat Sammy. Just so you guys get an idea of what the space looks like if you haven't already been. Pretty cool stuff. That's where I just shot the video. This There's a little lounge area. There's a little tiki god. Yeah. You guys need to come visit us at Phat Sammy's.